Anyway, fresh batteries. Let's see, where was I on this? The float was fine. I replaced the needle, needle seal. That was bad. But I got everything cleaned out inside, and I even replaced, there's 2 gaskets, one on either side of the heat shield. I don't know if you can see it. One here and one here. That helped some. And as cheap as they are, I replaced the reed assembly up in here. And when I took this half of the engine out, I pulled out probably I pulled out a handful of metal shavings, black stuff, and just junk in there. And I had bad crankshaft seals on the top and the bottom, and I have a bad bearing on the bottom. And when I took this off and I checked the connecting rod, I have play up and down on the crankshaft like this, and in and out at least 1/8 of an inch, which isn't good. But when I was talking with ILS 360, he was asking me what kinds of problems I'm having, and that can, well, these, you know, issues here can probably describe why I'm having it. Problems with it starting. It'll start right up. But even if the engine's been running for, let's say, I don't know, I just cut my grass with it, the engine's still kind of warm. Won't fire up, got to choke it. Even if it's warmed up and you stop it for a minute or so, you got to choke it to get it started. And I'm going to do a startup video here in a couple seconds. And I want you guys to listen to it and see if the sound that I'm hearing is a rod knocking, because I've went over this entire thing and tightened it, and I haven't been able to find anything. But I've never had luck with Lawn Boys, at least not this series of engine. There's one from the 70s I had, a white one. It was fantastic. So